Good morning, everybody. Now we are studying the art of living without food by evolution Yogic method for space colony. In future, we will go to space colony and expand in the universe. We are studying this technique for the past few months to exploring the self and exploring for the self and exploring. This is very easy technique. Today I am telling to you for the heart problem. Some tips from the art of living without food written by the scientist Venkatesan. How to reduce the heart problem? How to reduce the heart problem? By simple way. Almost 800 people, 800 crore people living in the earth. Daily we meet lot of problem. If if the problem is small, no problem. But we have met lot of problem by the sickness. This is very easy. Spending lot of money. We are spending lot of money to solve the sickness problem. CAD, COPD, or respiratory illness, cirrhosis, TB, diabetic, cancer, Alzheimer, etc. etc. There are almost 10 deadliest disease. Already we have spent lot of money to solve the sickness problem, but it does not solve the sickness problem. What is the invention? Where is the invention? To solve the physical fitness, to solve the fitness, to solve the sickness problem, to solve the mind problem. Where is the invention? What is the cheap way? What is the handy tool? Everybody can expect this technique. This is very easy technique. First, you understand what connection between food and body. We eat or we consume daily lot of food for mind purpose only. Taste only depend on the mind, but disease depend on the body. Nobody likes sickness. Nobody likes sickness. Nobody likes sickness. I I like also without sick life. How to get without sick life? Sick without sick life. How to get without sick life? What is the cheapest low cost way? What is the cheapest and low cost way? This is one of the low cost way. This also help to the mankind to expand in space. The techniques is very useful to expand in the expand and to make the space colony. Now science techniques not enough to to make the permanent colony in the space. We need a permanent colony in the space. But past invention, that is not enough. That is not good enough. That is not effort to make the space colonies. But there is a two kind of method in the technique. There is a two kind of method in this technique. These techniques help to develop the permanent colony in the space life. One technique from scientist Venkatesan invention, one technique from scientist Venkatesan invention, name called CCW engine, that creates hydrogen and oxygen. Second one, Thermin gun. Myself and my daughter, both are developed the technique. That name called Thermin gun means auto energy based on the magnetic ceramic, based on the magnetic ceramic nanoporous effect. That invention going on research. But this invention creates the energy, self ionization, and disassociation. Automatically, the magnetic ceramic material based on the nanoporous effect creates the energy to split the water by the ionization and dissociation. This is a science, pure science. This techniques will the techniques will soon come to the human society. For all people can use this technique with a cheap cost. Fuel is only ordinary water, rain water, well water, or tap water. You can make energy. You can make energy from water. That means nanoporous effect based on the quantum science, nano science, based on the nano science, quantum science. That science sure give the enough energy to the mankind, earth and space. Now come to the point for the heart problem, how to solve the heart problem by the cheap method. First, you should come to the vegetarian for the 5 months, or 4 months, 3 months, 5 months, at least 4 months or 5 months. This is enough. And you start the water diet system morning to 12 o'clock. Morning 6 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock. You consume little water. You may consume little water, little by little. Whenever you keep some water, always you keep some water in the stomach. First day, the yellow color will expel through the urine. First day you can feel this poison. This poison also accumulates in the tongue to large colon. This poison to get down to the large colon by the some boiled vegetable with rice. Morning 6 o'clock to evening in the noon 12 o'clock until you can do this project. Little by little, you consume little water. Little water may be 30 ml or 40 ml, maybe. That is okay. That is possible to clean that. What is the reason for drinking? What is the use for small quality of chipping water? What is lubricating and cleaning agent? only water is a lubricant and cleaning agent. Human body is a air machine. With water used as a lubricating and cleaning agent. According to the scientist, naturopath German scientist, refers the water than refers to water. Water is human body is a air machine. Water is lubricating and cleaning agent. So food is unnecessary. Mainly starch food. Starch is very dangerous. Starch makes a fat. Fat convert to the lot of disease. Fat caution many disease. The starch accumulate on the various parts of the body. The starch accumulates on the various part of the body. So we dissolve that poison with water diet system. With cooked vegetable to clean the total food channel to avoid the constipation. That's all. This is basic technique. As soon as you start the project, the poison will decrease, the weight decrease, disease will decrease. As soon as you start the program, there is no different. This is sure. I can understood. After I understood, and I repeat yourself This is common way, only for the human society purpose. I tell you for only social awareness. This is not individual care. I am telling only for the social purpose. That's all. After some days, you can extend the water drinking system, water chipping system, morning to evening one time. Sometimes, some days we keep the 2-time break system. 12 o'clock would break system, morning 7 o'clock one break system for 3 days or 4 days. After 4 days or 5 days, you can go to directly morning to evening. This is 12 hours cleaning process for 180 days. Model, 1 day is the model. That model leads to 180 days. That is enough. After 180 days, you feel without sick. Body, unwanted body only will expel. Also, old medicine, starch, fat, etc. Only that poison will reduce by the body. Body is a self-doctor. Everybody can be known the technique. Everybody should have to cleaning process by the vegetable practice and water consuming practice. That's all. This is enough to the mankind. There is a 2 kind of method: book buying method and consulting by method, and 6 months project method and 1 year project method. Indian project and abroad project. Abroad project $5,000 for 1 year. Consultant fees is some little amount consulting fees. Indian people little amount consulting fees. That's all. This is very cheap method. There is no side effect in the pure science. The yoga science. This is evolution science. That's all. Thank you very much.